Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just made it to the dollar store, and keep in mind I'm actually at a new location, so hopefully I can find some new girly things today. But let's go ahead and look at the stationery section first, and then of course look at the makeup section next. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this notebook. Seriously cute. So it just says write it down, and it's a beautiful shade of green, you know. Like, of course I need to bring it home with me, but do you guys like this one too? Definitely let me know. And look at the pages, you guys, so cute. Like, yes, and it feels really nice as well. Like, honestly, it doesn't feel like $1. I just found, you guys, this pen is super cute. So it's a dark purple color, and it says you get 4 colors, so red, blue, green, and it looks like black. So really nice, you know, for $1. Like, of course I need it. But here's a closer look of the pen, you guys. So hopefully it writes really well, but I'll keep you guys updated on my Instagram stories, so keep that in mind. So I just hit the jackpot, you guys, because I found a bunch of dry erase markers, and these are usually like over $2 at Walmart. Actually, you know what? I think it's usually $3, just let me know. But they have a bunch of colors, so dark purple, maroon, which is also new, and there's even blue, orange, and down there is green. But which one are you guys going to get? Definitely let me know. And you guys probably remember when I found the pink one, and they also have orange here. I might as well get it too. I'm so happy that I found these. And this brand is seriously amazing, so if you see this set, definitely pick it up. So you get 3 markers for $1. So it looks like you get a small, medium, and large, so that's really nice, you know. Of course I have to show you guys a closer look, so if you guys like this set too, please let me know. And I believe these sets are usually $6 at Walmart. And they have the cutest notebooks down here. So this one says Girl Vibes, and it's so colorful, but I really want to bring this one home with me. Super cute. So it has stars and moons on it, and of course it's pink, you guys, so I love it. But do you guys like this one too? Please let me know. Super pretty. So you guys won't believe this, I just found magnets, and these are so cute. So you get 4 of them for only $1, so obviously really good deal. I feel like I'm definitely hitting the jackpot in the stationery section, which is very unusual, you know. So they actually have 4 options here, which is amazing. So this one has a unicorn, it just says cute with the rainbow and the stars. Like, of course this one is going to my daughter, she's going to love it so much, and the colors are beautiful as well, so I might as well get 1 of each. Super pretty. And there's only 1 of these left, you guys. That is crazy. That's so gorgeous. Other dollar store, they actually have a section full of stickers, and I found Lisa Frank over there. It was seriously crazy, but at this location their sticker section is kind of small and so sad, you know, but maybe I can find some really cute ones. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't believe they sell glitter tattoos here. That is seriously so exciting. Of course this one is going to my daughter, so there's ice cream cones on there, cupcakes. I love it. It's super pretty, and it says you get 20 of them for $1. Definitely a deal, and we saw these stickers before, so keep that in mind. And of course they have the Disney Princess ones and Frozen, which is very exciting, and my daughter loves LOL, so I have to get this for her as well. She's going to love everything, and pretty much everything in here is for her. And look at the unicorn ones, you guys. It has glitter, there's also Mickey Mouse and shoes. Like, oh my goodness. So right next to the stickers they have a bunch of these notepads, and these are actually really nice, especially if you can find the magnetic ones. So the one that I really want to bring home with me says Shine with the Stars. It's really pretty. But do you guys like this one more? It just says Happiness is Homemade, which is so pretty, and it's orange and maroon, but of course I need to bring this one home with me. And I love that you get a pen too, so 2 things for $1, you guys, and you get 100 pages. Love it. So I think it's finally time to move on to the makeup section, you guys. I have way too many notebooks and stickers in here, but I'm pretty sure my daughter's going to love it. But honestly, I'm hoping to find some new makeup products, you know. That would be amazing. And so far this dollar store just looks so empty, you guys. Like, look at the skincare section. There is barely anything over here, but hopefully they have more skincare products on the other side. But oh my gosh, you guys, the makeup section is seriously a hot mess express, so I definitely have to do it. So look what I just found, you guys. They have a bunch of facial cleansing brushes here. So they have blue, green, and the last color is red. So I'm pretty sure this color is new, so I'm going to bring it home with me. And I actually tried this out, you guys. It's pretty good, so I highly recommend for $1. And keep in mind this one is going into the giveaway, so if you want to enter, definitely check out the box down below. But look at the makeup on the floor, you guys. It's crazy in here, and they have baskets full of random stuff. Like, there's bread in there, super random, you know. And look at the bottom, it's seriously crazy. So I'm not going to lie to you guys, one of the worst dollar stores that I've ever been to, and I went to the worst rated back in Florida, if you guys remember, and it wasn't this bad. So yeah, this dollar store is not the best, but I'm trying my best to make it a really nice shopping spree for you guys. I just have a bunch of lipsticks and lip glosses over here, but I went over this in my previous video, so keep that in mind. But I love finding the eyeshadow pencils. This one is Getaway. Of course this one is going into the giveaway. It's actually very pigmented and so beautiful. Honestly, I don't see anything else in the makeup section, so it's finally time to move on to the skincare section and the hair accessories. So they barely have hairbrushes left or hair accessories, you guys. Like, it's super empty, and I'm pretty sure everyone came here just to buy stocking stuffers and just add stuff to Christmas boxes, you know. So very disappointing so far, but hopefully I can find some new products. I might have to dig some more. Actually, I just found last minute gifts, but first I have to show you guys the dry shampoo. So this one is for brunette hair, and I recently tried this out. It's actually really good, so I'm very happy to see it again. And you know what? I might as well stock up, so I decided to go ahead and get 2 of these. But it's finally time to show you guys the last minute gifts. So it looks like you get the body lotion and a little perfume for only $1, so that means only 50 cents each, you know. And the packaging is actually really cute, so of course I need to show you guys a closer look. So this one is Pearl, you guys. It says our version of white diamonds. I have no idea how that one smells, just let me know. And the other one says beauty, and apparently it's supposed to smell like the most famous Chanel perfume, so of course I need to give this a go. Hopefully it smells really good, you know. And the other one is Pierce, so it's supposed to smell like poison. Once again, I have no idea how this one smells. And the last one is really pretty, you guys. I love the pink, so I'm going to try both of these out. So make sure you follow me on Instagram if you want to know what I think. It makes me very happy that I found more lotions, you guys. So these are really nice, and it reminds me of Bath & Body Works for only $1, you know. Every time I go to Bath & Body Works, I'm paying like $6 enough for a lotion, so for $1, once again, really good deal. The purple one is Aqua Dreams, one of my favorites, so I might as well get another one. They also have Darling Heart, and Touch of Love smells really good as well. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these, so definitely buy every single one and just add it to your collection, you know. But I hope that you guys find these soon. They're so pretty. And they still have a bunch of charcoal facial wipes and the Allure ones, which are really good. And this brand is okay too, but honestly it's like a hit and miss. But the pink packaging is actually really good. Honestly, I don't care for the ones with the blue packaging. And you guys won't believe this, so in the hair accessory section, they actually have pearl headbands, which is honestly so exciting. So of course I have to buy a bunch of these. The pearl headbands are seriously to die for. I'm just hoping that these are very comfortable. So I'm going to get one for Evelyn and one for Juliana, and I might as well get one for myself. Hopefully it's comfortable, you guys. But I remember seeing this back in Florida like last year, so it's really awesome to find it here finally. It has been forever since I found new scrunchies, you guys, but they actually have fall ones, which is so exciting. And honestly, they barely have anything left, but I'm not going to complain because they have some left for me, you know. So they have this beautiful shade of green, you guys. Of course I need it, and I have to add one of these to the giveaway. And let me go ahead and flip the camera so you guys can see a better look. So here's a closer look of this one, you guys. Super gorgeous, and it's very soft as well. And you guys won't believe this, I also found a blue one, super gorgeous. Hopefully I can find another one for you guys, but I'm very happy that I found a bunch of green ones. And oh my gosh, you guys, they also have a pack of 3 scrunchies for $1. It's super gorgeous, I'm not even kidding. Like, of course I need to bring it home with me. Honestly, my favorite scrunchies is definitely the green and the blue one. The other ones are a little bit smaller, so just keep that in mind, but still for $1 you definitely can't beat it. I definitely hit the jackpot, you guys, just because I found those new scrunchies. And I haven't seen new hair accessories for months, you guys. Like, the last time that I saw new ones was last summer, so keep that in mind. So honestly, I'm very happy right now. But it's finally time to move on to the sock section. The sock section is honestly very disappointing as well. They barely have anything over here, and I showed you guys all of these socks in my previous video, so keep that in mind. So you guys won't believe this, I went back to the hair accessories and I actually found more scrunchies on the bottom. So if your dollar store looks like mine, then you definitely have to dig. So this one is so gorgeous, you guys, and hopefully I don't have this one yet, but I could be wrong. But anyways, it's really pretty. So you get red, and the middle's a glitter scrunchie, and of course the last one is dark purple. I know you guys love the color purple so much, so this one is actually going into the giveaway because I feel like I would never use this one, so I can't wait to use these two right here. Super pretty, and I can't believe you get 3 of them for $1, and that is the reason why I love shopping here. And I showed you guys the other scrunchie sets, so you get 2 blue ones and a green one. Super pretty. So these two right here actually feel very soft, so keep that in mind. And the glitter scrunchie kind of feels rough, so I can't see myself putting this around my wrist just because it probably would make my wrist super itchy, you know. But the velvet ones are so gorgeous and they feel amazing. But I really love the big velvet scrunchies, you guys, and these are usually $3 somewhere else, and sometimes they can be priced at $5. So my favorite one is definitely this one right here. So gorgeous this time of year. And the blue one is really pretty this time of year and during the summertime. It's so gorgeous, you guys. It's more of like a teal color, you know, but it feels so comfortable around the wrist, you guys. And look how big it is. I love it. And I'm probably going to wear the green one today. I think it would look really cute with my outfit. And I'm very happy that I found pearl headbands, you guys. Like, this one is seriously to die for. I'm just hoping that it's comfortable just because it's metal right here. And usually when I buy headbands, it's super soft and it feels like velvet, you know. But I'll keep you guys updated on my Instagram stories and tell you if this is comfortable. But I'm pretty sure the scrunchies are definitely going to work out for me. But I would love to know what you guys are going to buy when you come to the dollar store. And if you made it to this point in the video, please leave a red heart down below. And if you are new, don't forget this channel is all about shopping. So I'd love for you to stick around, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you guys in my next one.